Hi guys, it's Lincoln here, and today I've got something super special to tell you. It's a new software that was just released, and you're absolutely going to love it. In fact, this got me excited, and it's really something that can help you in your business. I'm now going to show you the demo in a second, but before I do that, I want you to click the link below this video to check out the special bonuses that you can get if you pick it up through my link. Okay, let's jump in and see the video.
Introducing GPTVoicer, the revolutionary 2-in-1 content creation tool powered by ChatGPT that's designed to transform your marketing game. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly generate high-quality content like emails, articles, podcasts, and SOSI. This groundbreaking app not only helps you create engaging text, but also produces human-like voiceovers, ensuring your content stands out in a crowded market. Imagine saving countless hours on copywriting while enjoying access to a library of over 200 customizable templates tailored to top niches. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner, GPTVoicer has user-friendly features that require zero programming skills, making it incredibly accessible to everyone. Plus, with a commercial license, you can sell your produced content and voiceovers to clients, capitalizing on this booming demand for high-quality digital content. Worried about upfront costs? For just a one-time investment, you'll have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Say goodbye to expensive freelance hires and clunky software. GPTVoicer combines everything you need into one powerful app. Join the ranks of successful marketers today and unlock the full potential of your content with GPTVoicer, where quality, efficiency, and profits meet.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you loved it. Don't forget, I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. See you then.